Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to create dictionary that contains number. So let's start this program. Here, this line defines a list numbers containing 5 integers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numbers will be used to create keys in the dictionary and their squares will be the corresponding values. Here in the next line, this line initializes an empty dictionary, number dictionary, and this dictionary will hold the numbers as keys and their squares as the values. Now in the next line, this line starts a for loop that will iterate over each number in the list numbers, and the variable num will hold the current number being processed during each iteration. Here, for each number in the list, the expression number into 2 calculates the square of the current number. This square value is then assigned to the dictionary with the num as the key. For example, when num is 1, the dictionary entry will be 1 and 1. So, in the next line here, finally, this line prints the dictionary, number dictionary, which contains the numbers as keys and their squares as the values. After the loop finishes, the number dictionary will give the such output. So, the output is dictionary with number and their squares, as the square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16 and 5 is 25. So, thanks for watching this video.